The air compressor, as a main body of the air supply device, provides power source for pneumatic equipment, which is widely used in construction industry, steel, mining, chemical industry, machinery, metallurgy, electronic power, medicine, packaging, food, textile, transportation, and many other industrial fields. With the development of science and technology, air compressor has become an essential and important part of national economy. ZIQI Compressor Shanghai Limited Company, as a professional air compressor manufacturer, was established in 2007. After 10 years continuous development, and now ZIQI has already become the air compressor manufacturer, which specializes in research and development, production, sales and after-sales service. Located in one of the 4 famous towns, Shanghai, Fengjing Asian town, our company has more than 5,000 square meters of standard plant and nearly 1,500 square feet of office areas. The series of GES high-efficient energy-saving air compressor was designed and downstream in 2016, equipped with the most exquisite technology, which could be better to satisfy the customer's demand for energy saving and emission reduction. ZIQI Compressor adopt the German near end, and the main components are all world-renowned brands. Its excellent and unique design, accurate and high-efficient craftsmanship are favored by our customers. ZIQI Compressor, from the parts procurement, inspection, installation, commissioning, packaging, to finish the product factory. Each step and procedure all meet industrial standard. Our company adopts professional specification of the technical operation, strict implementation of the air compressor assembly and commissioning. ZIQI Compressor hold the idea of quality first, service utmost, to provide customers more energy-saving and advanced air compressors, as well as best quality after-sales service. Our company concentrates on giving customers the most perfect using experience, and all of our products have passed ISO 9001. Our company has kept continuous innovation for more than 10 years and recognized by users. Meanwhile, our products are also exported to the United States, Southeast Asia, the America, Europe, Africa, and other countries. Energy saving and environmental protection, modular design, intelligent human-computer interaction, informatization, and our tends to continuously improve our products. ZIQI Compressor for the global energy conservation